Sanibona bafowethu, ubhuti kaSamuel Siwekhwela lo eMzumbe, unkosikazi kaMseleko. Bafowethu, cabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayizwile lento ey'ndabeni ey'ningi kuma-social media, nakuma-newspaper, iy'ndaba zokuthi uMusa amakhosikazi akhe sehlala eThekwini. No, ayikho ingxabano phakathi kwasisi namakhosikazi kaMusa amadala. Kuyikona ukuthi laba bantu kuxoxisanile nabo, even babize thina singosibari babo abantu bakaKhwela uMusa, sibizile thina singosibari bakhe. Mina njengobhuti nje omdala kaSamuel Siwe, wase sichazela ukuthi no, amakhosikazi la amanye uyawasusa eMzumbe kuba sehlala isikhathi eside, kuze sekuhlala yena-ke usisi Samuel Siwe. So sasithina siwumndeni no, asiyiboni into eyinkinga lapho, because vele ushadele emzini. Akuthi amakhosikazi amanye enze njani ayikho ukuthi inkinga, futhi abanangxabano-ke usisi namakhosikazi kaMseleko. Manje into esesiphatha kabuhlungu, asikwazi ngisho ukuhamba endleleni enaba abantu bezindaba bayay'ntatheli, ziyasibuza imibuzo, nosisi akasakhululekile. Nami njengobhuti wakhe sengikhuluma njalo kancane kancane, ngiyafonelwa kuthiwa kwenzakalani. No bafethu, sicela bafethu nisinikeze i-private, siyayithanda nathi i-private somndeni. Ngiyabonga.
So LaToya's brother LaToya's brother LaToya's brother, well, I'm joking, Makhwela's brother like Makhwela's brother. We just watched the show and they were paying lobola for Makhwela. Where were you? By the way, you guys, I always forget to tell you this story. My father and Mandela were best friends. My father and Mandela were supposed to go to Robben Island together. Yes. When Mandela was caught by the police, my father was in the car, the same car that Mandela, you remember the car that Mandela was driving in when he was caught by the police, that last drive. My father was in the car. He was supposed to go to Robben Island with Mandela because they were best friends, but he managed to escape. And the police chased him. That police chase was so horrible that my father ended up passing away because he was shot so many times and ended up in the hospital. And because of that, he didn't die from the shooting during the police chase. He died later on, but because of that, that's the reason that my father later on died. But my father was supposed to be one of the political struggle heroes. You see the tenders that people are getting, I should be getting them. I should be Sean Mamkhize kind of a situation, but here I am doing YouTube. You see, I always forget to tell you that story, that my father was Nelson Mandela's best friend. He escaped like this from going to Robben Island. I just thought I'd tell you this story. So this is Makhwela's brother. Just the funny thing is that we watched the show where they were paying a lobola for Makhwela's thing, and there was another brother, and it wasn't this one. And this one seems to be the one that likes the attention of the media, but he wasn't there at the lobola. And he knew that the cameras were coming, but he wasn't there. Okay, but thank you so much for sharing that information. LaToya lies. LaToya lies.